Governor Seyi Makinde of Oyo State has signed the 2022 budget of 294.7 billion naira and the bill on financial autonomy for the State House of Assembly into law. Makinde said the state government would target 70 to 75% performance for the 2022 budget, which he tagged budget of growth and opportunities.
294 billion 704,585,356 naira 94 kobo. This is the total figure for our 2022 budget of growth and opportunities as passed by the Oyo State House of Assembly. I must use this opportunity to thank the honorable members of the House, especially Mr. Speaker, Honorable Debo Ogundoyi, for the speedy passage of our budget proposal. And so today, I have just signed the appropriation bill into law. The document represents the wishes of the good people of Oyo State. As has become our usual practice, we started this budget process with town hall meetings in all the geopolitical zones of our states. We got the input of stakeholders before deciding how to appropriate our spending. So we can rightly say it is our budget. As you know, it is one thing to pass a budget, it is more important to implement. But if you check the record, you will see that in 2020, our budget performance was over 50%. In 2021, we did better at over 60%. That's about double what was obtainable in the past. So for this 2022 fiscal year, our target is a minimum of 70 to 75% performance. And you know that one thing that impacts budget performance is revenue. If you don't have the money, there's nothing to spend. So with the increase in revenue, we're better able to fund our budget and record higher budget performance.
The Deputy Governor, Speaker of the State House of Assembly, Chief of Staff to the Governor, Head of Service, State Assembly lawmakers and other top government functionaries were in attendance.